Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. I have written here the names of some animals on the board like cheetah, horse, bird, cat. Now, can you tell me how they move? So, today we are going to learn how animals move. To know more about animals' movement, let us watch the video.
Hello children. Today we are going to learn about another interesting topic, that is animals' movement. So are you all excited to know that why do animals move and how do they move? Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Shelter is their home. Different animals move in different ways. Animals can run, walk, jump, hop, swim, fly, or crawl. When we were babies, we would crawl. This is similar to how animals like lizard, tortoise, and crocodile, etc. move. These animals seem to crawl or creep on the ground. They drag the body along the ground. They have really short legs. Animals like snakes and earthworms have no legs. They too crawl or slither on the ground. Slither means to move smoothly. Animals like lions, cheetah, elephants, camels, and horses can walk and run. The cheetah is the fastest runner. Have you ever seen a frog or a kangaroo or a rabbit moving? They hop on the land. But frogs and ducks have webbed feet. These webbed feet help them to swim in water. Birds also hop or walk on their legs. They fly with their wings. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Some insects also have wings which help them to fly. A fish swims in water with the help of the fins. Do you know elephants are the only animals that cannot jump?